Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having a fabulous day and you are safe wherever you are. So first of all, a very sorry to all you guys because I haven't been able to upload videos from last 2 or 3 days. There was some reasons, there were some personal reasons and I was busy in my personal life. So I haven't been able to upload the videos, but I am back with a bang guys, and I will be uploading videos regularly from now. So be sure that you have subscribed the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out any videos from mine. So what we are going to do today is we will again be diving into ABX. Yeah, 2 back-to-back videos on ABX. Now ABX has got really good changes, but I don't like ABX personally. So today is the Speed Superhero Day, so let's see what we can score on Speed Superhero Day. And we know that the daughter of MFF is the meta for this day, so this is the team we will be using: Luna, Snow, Misty Knight lead and White Fox. So let's check out the details guys. So as you can see, quick rate, quick damage, ignore defense and reduce cooldown duration are maxed out. By the way guys, this is not my account, this is one of my very dear friend ONX Adinant. They are at the very top of the ABX, so he gave me his ID, said you can make a video. So a very humble guy, so shout out to you my friend. And you can see gears are all at 25, some Odin's blessing are there. So he have a Luna Snow pretty high belt, so his skills are all at 6, type enhancement is at 5, and he has a fully awakened power of Angry Hulk ISO set bonus, and you can see all attack dodge, energy attack dodge rolled there, so perfectly synergizes with the CDP of Rage and a mythic uniform. And you can see the optional uniforms here: energy attack, attack speed, dodge and all attack. So okay guys, without further ado, let's dive right into the ABX. And yes, I will be talking about what you should be looking into the run. Number one thing, rotation. So rotation that I personally use is 1 cancel, 2 cancel, 3 delayed cancel, 5 cancel into 4, and try to squeeze all your skills under the Rage proc. And Luna is one of the best character to go for a CDP of Rage, since all her skills hit really hard. And for a good score, number one thing you need to note is you need to know the rotation. And the rotation for Luna is you need to squeeze all her skills under the Rage proc. Now Luna has a very weird rotation sometimes, just because her 1 and 2 skills get out of cooldown, just like Doctor Strange and Ancient Ones. Sometime it triggers and the skill cooldown gets to 1 second. So that's it. Now you don't want to use your tier 3 here. Now please don't use your tier 3 here, because the beast will go into an iframe like there. Now the beast will roar, since Luna doesn't have a silence or anything like that, so she is not being able to cancel the roar. And that's the primary tip I would like to give you. When the beast runs to the center or jumps to the center, he is in iframe. So if you hit your tier 3, your tier 3 will be cancelled out and you will lose a lot amount of damage. Now we are doing pretty good there, and I am not by any means an ABX player. Yeah, I can do good in ABX, but man, this man is crazy. He can do way more than I am doing. And also my device is pretty laggy, and I am planning to upgrade my device very soon. I will not reveal the date, but I will definitely upgrade my device, and so that you get a lag-free experience guys. So yeah, doing all for you, so please subscribe the channel guys. And as you can see, 5.3 million. So Luna definitely is best, since she don't have silence. Then also she can hit the 7 million mark and that is pretty crazy. So 5.7 million, so amazing. Yeah, one more thing to note guys, when to cancel the tier 3. Now as she waves her hand out, you can cancel the tier 3, like here. You will see I guess right here. So if you notice, like there, she waved the hand and I cancel it. You can cancel it as she waves her hand and try to squeeze all your skills under the rage proc, and that's the best thing you need to know about. And again, one thing I would like to give you is your timing. Yeah, you need to be very fast on your fingers so that you can squeeze all your skills under the rage proc. That's what Luna is all about. Now ABX again is, you all know I call it a spam fest. Now there's no skills involved, guys. All you have to do is squeeze all your skills under the rage proc. That's it. And if the character has a silence the beast. So as you can see, 7.3 million, so not bad. And definitely this score could have been higher if he had played, obviously, because her Luna is her Luna, none of my Luna. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. And I haven't been uploading videos, but now on I will upload videos, definitely will upload videos, and I have a lot to show and promote in the channel. So yeah, my list is ready, so be ready. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Take care, be safe.